This is an overview of the Travelcaster electric guitar. The old strings were removed from the guitar. The original tuners were removed using a 10mm socket wrench. The Traveler guitar locking tuners were unboxed. The original tuners only had 2 pins and the locking tuners only had 1 pin, so a divot had to be made and then a hole was drilled using 7/64 drill bit. The bushings were installed using a 10mm socket wrench. Locking knobs were loosely screwed onto the tuners. The guitar was strung with number 9 strings. The guitar was tuned and then the ends of the strings were clipped off. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.